Hi there, students. Inviolate. Inviolate, an adjective. Okay, inviolate means sacrosanct, inviolable, free from injury, free from harm. Or it should be, it must be, it ought to be, even though it could be damaged or could be harmed. Yeah, these the bodies of the Egyptian king and his family had been hidden away and had been inviolate there for centuries. They hadn't been profaned; they were intact. Yeah, but there are also concepts that should be inviolate. So, freedom of the press is inviolate. It must not or should not be harmed, but it might and can be harmed by politicians. It's something that is sacrosanct, something that should be treated as safe and should not be harmed in any way. So what I actually like about this inviolate is something that must not be harmed, that should not be harmed or damaged. It can also mean something that isn't harmed or isn't damaged. Yeah, but well, with life, I think nothing is inviolate after a time goes by. But moral principles, that should be inviolate, no matter what type of government or ruler is in charge. Yeah, it's something that should not be harmed or affected by anything. Our love for each other was inviolate. Yeah, it was something that could not be changed. Yeah, it was free from injury. It was inviolable. Yeah, it's something that was not to be broken. Was to be kept sacred. Okay, so inviolate, incorruptible, or should be incorruptible. I get the feeling that no human is inviolate. Yeah, we can all be tempted by something. Yeah, but inviolated, free from hurt, from damage, both mentally and physically, secure from any impairment. Yeah, the inviolability of life, the sanctity of life. Yeah, that life must be preserved at all costs. Yeah, so I think inviolable rights or inviolable principles are of such value that they should not be broken under any circumstances. So, for example, the debate about euthanasia or abortion enters this question of the inviolability of life or not. So, inviolate, not profaned, intact. The great inviolate place had an ancient permanence which the sea cannot claim. That's Thomas Hardy. Okay, so something that's undisturbed, something not infringed, not broken. It's whole. It's unpolluted, undefiled. Yeah, my love for her was inviolate. Yeah, it's something that would not change, that could not be changed no matter what occurred. Okay, so inviolable. It's inviolate, something that's not damaged or not to be harmed. So formality. I think I'm going to give this a 6.5 or even a 7 in formality. Use in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing, or something formal. And the origin from Latin, inviolatus, inviolable, unhurt, uninjured. Okay, so enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Inviolable.